If you haven't been to Dollar Tree in a while, I suggest you get there quick. I am going to show you 30 summer must-haves that you should be buying real soon. We're going to start with these solar lights. You know I love these solar lights. I craft with them all the time, and every year they bring new styles, new designs, and in so many shapes and sizes. Of course, you can use these in your garden and they will look gorgeous, but I use them for crafting and I have made some beautiful crafts throughout the year. This one is gorgeous for spring and summer, and this one for every day of the year. Love that they light up, so fun. Some of the new designs that they have currently are these. Wow, talk about a gorgeous one. What? These are great for your garden, again, great for crafts as well. This one has such a modern farmhouse look. Isn't it gorgeous? A few years ago, I used it with this craft and it is just stunning. Such a farmhouse look, distressed, and it's so easy. This one here was new this year. At least I hadn't seen it before. And I recently did a very easy craft, actually 2 of them. I took off the stake and of course I want to remove the little tag so it lights up. I removed the paper and scuffed up this leftover can. And then I'm just going to take a permanent marker and make what will look like a little sparkle in the front. And then I'm going to drill the holes and remove the excess marker marks. Then I'm going to paint it white, let it dry. Then I'm going to take this vine style ribbon that I got on Amazon. I'm just going to place a strip at the top as well as the bottom. So easy. This is just going to add texture and design, but of course you can use any ribbon you want. I'm going to add these Amazon twinkle lights or fairy lights, and I'm just going to add them inside and then hot glue the battery pack to the back and then place the solar light on top. How fun is this? It's so cute. I also took this little votive candle holder from Dollar Tree, removed the sticker, wiped it well, and then I'm just going to add it right there. Such an easy craft, but again, so fun to use these in your home this summer. In addition to solar lights, they also have all these lantern styles in the Dollar Tree Plus. They are so high-end looking. I am telling you, you do not have to spend a lot of money to make your home look beautiful and updated this summer season. The varieties are endless. Love these. Love that they have these as well. You can put your own candles inside. So fun. This aisle with tons of summer style cups and mugs and you name it. Oh my word. They have palm tree styles, they have pineapple styles, they even have a camera style. I am telling you, this would be so fun for birthday parties, 4th of July parties, you name it. I think these are just adorable. Love all the colors. And of course, you can grab as many as you want. These are $1.25. In their kitchen aisle for the seasonal section, I have found so many good finds. They have tons of items you can use for your kitchen as well as your picnics, from towels to these cute little silicone style ice molds. They are absolutely adorable. Basically, all you want to do is you want to get one, wash it really well, and you just want to fill in with water. Once they solidify by freezing, you just want to remove them and use them in whatever summer drink you want. They also have all kinds of cute little details you can use for decorations or also for crafts. I've used these style before. Basically, I just remove them from the string and then use them as needed for my crafts. So fun. These napkins are new. I've never seen them before. I love the design that it has at the top. You can use these for crafting all the time. You can Mod Podge them to jars just like I did this one or any other surface, and it's so fun. I found this beach hat, which I think it's beautiful. Oh my word, it looks so high-end. I'm going to use this for crafting, so stay tuned. There's going to be an upcoming craft. I made this one with a different type of hat for the Easter and spring season. Love the design, and I'm going to make another one, so stay tuned. Their seasonal 4th of July or Memorial Day aisle is gorgeous, and it has so many designs and so many cute finds. You are going to have a blast. You can make tons of gifts if you are hosting or if you're attending a party, or you can use these for crafts, of course. Recently, I took a Dollar Tree plate, I wiped it well, and then added Mod Podge to the center, let it dry. Then I took a Dollar Tree calendar and I am going to just trace this plate right over the center, and I am going to cut it with my X-Acto knife. Then I'm going to place the paper on the dry Mod Podge, and then I'm going to iron it using parchment paper in between. Then I am going to add a little hook in the back with a little bit of jute string, hot glue, and tape. I'm going to add these 4th of July kind of style stars. These are metal, so I'm going to add foam on the inside and attach one to each side. So easy. They attached really well. And then of course we want to add some sort of a bow. So I'm going to take this scarf that I did found in the Dollar Tree seasonal aisles, and I'm just going to make a very simple bow, scrunch it in the middle, tie it with jute string, and then we are going to hot glue it to the bottom of the plate. Of course you can leave it like this, but I am going to add these little red, white, and blue beads from Dollar Tree, one to each side. I'm also going to add some florals. I'm going to add these blue ones on each side, and then I'm going to add a simple white one in the center. This is to keep it kind of simple because the scarf has so many details. How gorgeous is this? Again, you can use these red, white, and blue finds in the seasonal aisle and make all kinds of crafts, whether you want to paint them or not. They already come with such cute and festive designs. Love this one I made last year. How fun. You can also find all kinds of things that you can actually wear, like this headband. How fun is that? Oh, and I also found all of these ribbons, which are gorgeous. I am telling you, you can save so much money by finding these. Love, love. Stay tuned because I'm going to use them. In the Dollar Tree Plus storage bin aisle, you can find an insane amount of storage bins. I am telling you, I love organizing my craft room as well as my home using these bins. Very inexpensive. I recently got this one. I love that it has a lid that clips on. It is the perfect size to fit in my cabinets for my craft room. I store all of my fabrics as well as my burlap rolls, and I just place them right in there, cover it up. The clips help it stay on and it fits in my cabinet so good. I also found this rotating organizing bin. Oh my word. This you can use anywhere in your home. You can use for your makeup, for your paintbrushes. I'm going to show you how cool it is to store my markers right inside of them. I have all kinds of markers that I use for my craft room all the time. And I'm just going to place them in here. And it's just so easy to set right there next to my craft table and grab as needed. I love when my home smells like fresh, clean laundry, especially during the summer months. And I have found these Downy laundry rinse are great to use to freshen up your home. I pair it with one of these bottles from Dollar Tree. I have had this pink one for a while, and this is whatever I already have left over from my previous batch. I like to place 2 little bottles right inside. This is going to just allow my home to smell so good as I spray it in all kinds of fabric around the home. And I'm going to show you. Once I have the solution right inside the bottle, I'm going to fill the bottles again with water, and I'm just going to dilute it just a little bit. I'm going to shake it really well just to mix it. And then I go all around my home spraying everything that's fabric, whether it's curtains, my bedding, the couch, everywhere. I love the way my home smells. When I lay down or when I sit down, you just smell the freshness. It's such a great hack. If you do not do this, please know that you can find these at Dollar Tree. They also have fabric fresheners already available for you. But honestly, I love the way the Downy smells better, but it's up to you, whichever one you want. Their cleaning aisle is insane. They have so many mops, so many broom styles to help you stay clean during this summer season. Grab them. These bags are insanely beautiful. This will make a great gift for Mother's Day. They have so many cute designs, great as a beach bag or a pool bag. Love giving these. Fill them with some goodies for Mother's Day. Who wouldn't love that? All right, so you know I love the pool noodles, and I have made so many crafts throughout the seasons and throughout the years. It is so fun. I made this rainbow style one last year. Everyone loved it. I paired it with a mop. So cute. And this little sparkling 4th of July ones. How fun are these? Oh my word. And don't forget that they have tons of other items that you can find for the summer season, like these little tables. Love these chairs. Everything is so inexpensive. And of course, not everything is $1.25, but it's still a great deal. Garden aisles are great to find great items that you can use during your gardening season. And of course, don't forget the flowers. They have tons of regular style flowers as well as seasonal ones. So fun to make crafts, and you know that. Their plate aisle is filled with tons of plates and chargers that you can use, of course, in your home to eat and dine. But I have used them for crafting for many years. They come in different styles, different textures, and different colors. This one is a golden one, which it looks great for fall, Christmas, summer, you name it. This clear one is absolutely gorgeous, as well as you can find some glass ones. This one is such a cute find. It's very thick and durable. And recently I did some crafts, and I'm going to show you. This one is such a fun one for summer with the sunflower theme. Also, this one is such a great one. It lights up at night because I put fairy lights in the back, paired it with fabric. So fun. And for this one, I did a stencil as well as a rub-on transfer, and it lights up. Oh my word. All right, so hula hoops are great to have fun during the summer months. You can buy these for your kids. They have 2 different sizes, but they are so fun for crafting, so make sure you grab some. These garden stakes are massively long and large. I have found these in the Dollar Tree Plus section. They also have regular ones in their regular aisles. I made this wreath recently using one of their stakes, and it's absolutely gorgeous. My mom loved it because I gifted it to her. Same with this little bike. Oh my word, it's so large. Will look great in your garden. Of course it would. But using it for crafts and your home decor is so fun. Recently, I made this welcome arrangement and it is stunning. I also gifted it to my mom and she loved it. Which one is your favorite? Let me know down in the comments, and I have another video here for you with tons more of Dollar Tree DIY crafts inspiration. Check it out. I'll see you later and have a blessed day. Bye.